28 species in genus Carya. August 27th. Carya, Carya, the hickory tree, defines August 27th. Carya symbolizes strength and perseverance. You have a solid, unshakable character and the ability to endure challenges with grace. Like its tough wood and nourishing nuts, you provide stability and sustenance to those around you, offering both wisdom and support. The mighty hickories, an exploration of the Carya genus. As a lifelong admirer of the natural world, I, Ferb, find myself drawn to the resilience and beauty of trees. Among my favorites is the Carya genus, better known as the hickories. These majestic trees belong to the Juglundaceae family, with their sturdy trunks and impressive heights, have captivated me since childhood. Their diverse range of species, each with unique characteristics and uses, makes them a fascinating subject for exploration. A diverse family of trees. The Carya genus comprises around 28 species of deciduous trees native to North America, China, and Indochina. These trees are renowned for their hard, dense wood, commonly used in furniture making, tool handles, and even smoking meats. But their value extends beyond their timber. Hickories also produce edible nuts, enjoyed by humans and wildlife alike. Here's a list of Carya species. Carya illinoinensis, pecan, perhaps the most famous hickory, prized for its delicious, buttery nuts used in pies, pralines, and other treats. Carya ovata, shagbark hickory, easily recognizable by its shaggy bark. This species produces sweet nuts and durable wood. Plantifacus, Carya ovata, shagbark hickory. Carya liceniosa, shellbark hickory similar to the shagbark hickory, but with larger nuts and leaves. Plantifacus, Carya liceniosa, shellbark hickory. Carya cordiformis, bitternut hickory named for its bitter nuts. This species is still valued for its tough wood. Plantifacus, Carya cordiformis, bitternut hickory. Carya tomentosa, mockernut hickory. This hickory has very hard wood and produces sweet nuts, though they are difficult to crack. Plantifacus, Carya tomentosa, mockernut hickory. Carya glabra, pignut hickory. This species is known for its pear-shaped nuts, which are favored by pigs and other wildlife. Plantifacus, Carya glabra, pignut hickory. Carya aquatica, water hickory. As its name suggests, this hickory thrives in wet environments and produces bitter nuts. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of hickories. What is it about hickories that I find so compelling? Perhaps it's their strength and longevity. These trees can withstand harsh conditions and live for centuries, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Or maybe it's their contribution to the ecosystem. Hickory nuts provide a vital food source for numerous animals, including squirrels, chipmunks, and birds. Even their fallen leaves enrich the soil, supporting a thriving understory. But beyond their ecological importance, hickories hold a certain aesthetic appeal. Their tall, straight trunks, often reaching over 100 feet, command attention. Their leaves, turning a vibrant golden hue in autumn, create a breathtaking spectacle. And their nuts, encased in hard shells, offer a satisfying challenge to crack open and savor the reward within. A personal connection. My fascination with hickories goes beyond mere admiration. I've spent countless hours exploring hickory forests, observing their growth patterns, and collecting their nuts. I've even attempted to grow hickory trees from seed, a process that requires patience and dedication. There's something deeply satisfying about connecting with nature in this way, understanding the intricate workings of these magnificent trees. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. A call for conservation. Despite their resilience, hickories face numerous threats, including habitat loss, disease, and invasive species. It's crucial that we take steps to protect these valuable trees and ensure their survival for future generations. By planting hickory trees, supporting sustainable forestry practices, and educating others about their importance, we can all play a role in conserving these magnificent giants of the forest. For me, the Carya genus represents more than just a group of trees. It's a symbol of strength, resilience, and the enduring beauty of the natural world. It's a reminder of our connection to the earth and the responsibility we have to protect it.